Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss vector topic, in which in previous class we have discussed dot product and its properties and some problems also we are solving. Today we are going to discuss vector product of two vectors, or also call it as a cross product. Vector product of two vectors or cross product of two vectors. For suppose, let A bar and B bar are two vectors in a space. So here A bar and B bar are two vectors in a space, and n cap is a perpendicular to the both A bar and B bar. So here n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar as well as B bar. So now here A bar is perpendicular to n cap and B bar is perpendicular to n cap, and also these A bar, B bar and n cap form a right-handed system. So these three vectors A bar, B bar and n cap to form the right-handed system. So here, so the three vectors form the right-handed system. Now here, to defining the A bar cross B bar value. So now here we are defining the A bar cross B bar. So like this. So A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta into n cap. Here theta is the angle between the A bar and B bar, and here n cap. N cap is a unit vector. It's a perpendicular to the both A bar and B bar. Here n cap is a perpendicular to the both A bar and B bar. So and these three vectors to form the right-handed system. So now here from this one we are deriving some more properties. So now to observe, taking magnitude on both sides, mod on both sides, then A bar cross B bar is equal to, so magnitude of A bar is A bar into B bar. So sin theta is magnitude value, positive value sin theta into mod n cap. So now here n cap is a unit vector. So that is its magnitude value is equal to 1. Therefore, mod A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta. So from this one, to derive the sin theta, angle between the two vectors A bar and B bar, when I are given the A bar and B bar, so therefore sin theta is equal to mod A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar into mod B bar. So angle between the two vectors A bar and B bar, sin theta is equal to formula mod A bar cross B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. And from this one, for suppose we require the n cap value. So n cap is equal to, we have A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta into n cap. So now we require the n cap value. This value write the denominator, so that A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta is equal to n cap. So therefore A bar cross B bar divided by, now to observe here denominator value A bar mod B bar sin theta. So from this one to observe here, so mod A bar mod B bar sin theta value is mod A bar cross B bar. Mod A bar cross B bar value is mod A bar into mod bar into sin theta. So in the place of this one, to write mod a bar cross b bar. So mod a bar cross b bar is equal to n cap. So now we have derived the one formula. The unit vector n cap along with the a bar cross b bar, along with the a bar cross b bar is a bar cross b bar by mod a bar cross b bar. So very important formula this one. The unit vector along with a bar cross b bar is a bar cross b bar by mod a bar cross b bar. So very important. And later we are discussing some more properties from this one. So here a bar cross b bar is equal to a bar cross b bar is equal to mod a bar into mod b bar into sin theta into n cap. Now to find the b bar cross a bar, b bar cross a bar. So this is equal to mod b bar into mod a bar into sin theta. So now here, so b bar cross a bar means here to observe left-handed system. Left-handed system means here you get the negative unit vector that you are writing minus n cap. So that is b bar cross a bar. So that is here. So b bar cross a bar is equal to mod b bar into mod a bar into sin theta. We are changing the direction, then negative unit vector will be coming. So this is equal to minus n cap. So therefore b bar cross a bar is equal to, so this minus like the starting minus into b bar mod b bar into mod a bar into sin theta into n cap. So this is equal to, from this one here, mod a bar into mod b bar into sin theta into n cap value is a bar cross b bar. This is equal to a bar cross b bar. So therefore b bar cross a bar is equal to negative sign of a bar cross b bar. So when the two vectors cross product, when they are interchanging these values to get the negative sign, it's a very important point. So therefore a bar cross b bar is equal to, also can be written as minus b bar cross a bar. It's a very important property. And some more properties we are discussing now. See, a bar and b bar are two vectors in a space. Then m a bar cross b bar is equal to some scalar into, here m is a scalar. So m into a bar cross b bar is equal to, these can be written as m into a bar cross b bar. And one more, so m a bar cross n into b bar is equal to a bar cross n into b bar is equal to n into a bar cross b bar. Whatever scalar are having, any scalars are there, that scalar value to write the starting. And one more, so n a bar cross n b bar. So here m and n are both are scalars. So we have the, like this having, these can be written as m into n, just to multiply the scalars, m into n into a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar. Next, one more point to write it from this one. Now suppose I bar, j bar, k bar are unit vectors along with x, y and z axis respectively. I bar, j bar, k bar are unit vectors along x, y, z respectively. Now, so from this one, I bar cross I bar is equal to j bar cross J bar is equal to K bar cross K bar is equal to this value is 0. So here I bar cross I bar, J bar cross J bar, K bar cross K bar value is equal to 0, and next I bar cross J bar is equal to K bar, and J bar cross K bar is equal to I bar, and K bar cross I bar is equal to J bar. So one more also here, J bar cross I bar is equal to minus K bar, and K bar cross J bar is equal to minus I bar, and I bar cross K bar is equal to minus J bar. So now here I bar, J bar, K bar are unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively, and these I, J, K vectors are form a right-handed system. So that form a right-handed system or anti-clockwise system. So under the system you can find it like this. Very easy way to find the values: I bar, J bar, K bar. So now here I bar cross I bar value. So when I am using the formula mod I bar cross I bar is equal to mod I bar into sin theta into n cap. So here n cap is a unit vector. So therefore, so I bar 1 into sin 0. So because here these both are parallel support or same line of support, so angle between I bar and I bar is 0, sin 0 is 0. So therefore I bar cross I bar value, similarly J bar cross J bar value, and K bar cross K bar value, its value is equal to 0. Now you can see I bar, J bar, K bar are to form the right-handed system or anti-clockwise system. That case you are defining like this: I bar cross J bar is equal to. So here I bar cross J bar is equal to the anti-clockwise system or right-handed system. So I bar cross J bar is equal to K bar. That direction having, that's why positive value. I bar cross J bar is K bar. Similarly, J bar cross K bar, J bar cross K bar is equal to I bar, and K bar cross I bar is equal to J bar. Similarly, J bar cross I bar. Now to observe here, J bar cross I bar have the clockwise direction or left-handed system. Left-handed system, that form a left-handed system or clockwise direction. When the clockwise direction, to get the negative signs here, so therefore J bar cross I bar, J bar cross I bar value is minus K bar. Similarly, K bar cross J bar value is minus I bar, because here arrow mark to observe negative arrow marks having. So therefore K bar cross J bar is equal to minus I bar, and I bar cross K bar, I bar cross K bar is equal to minus J bar. These values are very important to remember. So I bar cross I bar is equal to J bar cross J bar, and K bar cross K bar is equal to 0. Similarly, I bar cross J bar value is K bar, J bar cross K bar value is I bar, and K bar cross I bar is equal to J bar. That to form the I, J, K form a right-handed system. When I am forming the right-handed system, so here this value should be coming, and this one. So in this case, that I, J, K form the left-handed system or clockwise system we are following. So these values to remember, and later, so then when I are given the two vectors, how to find out the cross product. For suppose A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, and B bar is equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar, then cross product of these two vectors, so non-zero vectors in a space. So then cross product of A bar and B bar is A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar vector is A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar cross B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar. So now cross product of these two vectors, when I am multiplying normal multiplication, here to get it A1 B1 I bar cross I bar. You know that I bar cross I bar is 0, so that you no need to write it. Similarly, A1 B2 I bar cross J bar. I bar cross J bar value is I bar cross J bar value is K bar. So when we are multiplying like this, so we will be getting the cross product of these two vectors, and simply we are doing like this, the determinant form also to find it the A bar cross B bar value. That is the easiest method. That method only can follow when we are finding the cross product of two vectors. So that determinant method to observe. So to write it, determinant of in the first row. In the first row to write the I bar, J bar, K bar, and in the second row to write the A bar coefficients, to write it here in the second row. So A bar coefficients here A1, A2, A3, and in the third row to write the B bar coefficients. So B bar coefficients of I, J, K is B1, B2, B3. So when I am finding determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, we get A bar cross B bar. So like this to solve the problems time, and we will get all the questions and answers, and few more questions we are discussing in the next class. Thank you.